Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check, stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and please leave your comments. Y'all, I'm giving away $1,000. But first, I want to say thank you to everyone for all your support throughout these dark months. I really do appreciate it. I know without you, I would not have a channel at all. So this is going to be my way of giving back. But first, let's talk about what this channel is all about, and that is stimulus. And then we're going to get into some giveaway stuff. Okay, I am giving away $1,000, but first we're going to talk the stimulus check stuff. When will we get stimulus checks? Okay, Joe Biden did say as soon as he takes office. I've got a lot of flack from what I've been saying about it in my comments, but after reading some of those comments, I do realize that is what he said. He said as soon as he takes office, and he's taken office. Now it don't look like it's going to be quite that fast, but I am still very much confident we're going to get the $1,400. A lot of people are upset because it's not $2,000. Well, he never said $2,000. He said $2,000 in the context that it was going to be the total of $2,000. He always said that the $600 would just be the down payment. Now, think about this. If you go to buy a car and you put $600 down on it, are you going to pay that $600 again? Or are you going to pay the remaining balance? It's the same thing. He said that was a down payment. So the remaining is $1,400. It would be nice if we could all get another $2,000, but that's not going to happen, I don't think. Joe Biden is seeking a bipartisan agreement on this stimulus package. And it did look like he was going to get it, but now I'm beginning to wonder because of what some of the Republicans are saying. So he is seeking a bipartisan agreement, but that don't mean it has to be bipartisan. He can do the Reconciliation Act, and he could just push it on through like that, but he don't want to do that, and I don't blame him, because you remember the wedge. Donald Trump has a big wedge between him and the media, a wedge between him and the Republicans, his own party, and the Democrats. And nobody wanted to work with him on kind of the wedge that he placed there. Well, Joe Biden don't want to put that wedge there. And if he just bolsters it through on the Reconciliation Act, he will be placing that wedge between him and most of the Republicans. So I applaud him for trying to do it bipartisan. He may not be able to. It may come down to the Reconciliation Act, but right now he's going to try the bipartisan route, and I don't blame him a bit for that. Do we need the money right now? Yes, we do. But think about all the damage it could do if he did do the bipartisan route right now without trying. He's got to try first. I still don't think it's going to be much longer before we get it, though. Y'all, whether he did anything or not, we know not much is going to happen until the House comes back into session from their break, aka vacation. Now, they did say that when they're out on break, they're going to be getting all their ducks in a row, getting everything done, prepared. That way when they come back, they can go straight to work on stimulus. Now, we have to take them for their word until they come back and prove it wrong. So, we'll just have to wait and see. I hate that. We got to wait and see. It reminds me of the Mooch Man. Okay. The stimulus stuff. Okay. What you really came here for is the $1,000 giveaway. Okay, I'm going to tell you about this $1,000 giveaway. It's not going to start until next Sunday, I'm just going to give you a sneak preview of what's coming in this video. I am going to be giving away $1,000, and I will have the contest rules in next Sunday's video, because according to YouTube, you have to place your rules before you start a contest. That's why I'm saying it's not starting now, it's starting next Sunday. But you can go ahead and get prepared for it. And that's what we're doing now. Y'all, I'm going to let y'all make the way this is done. Y'all tell me what you think, and the majority will win this. Okay, do you want $100 for 10 people, $500 for 2 people, or $1,000 for one very lucky person? Let me know in the comments, and by next Sunday I will read them comments and I will decide which way we're going with it, and that will be in the rules next Sunday in the description box. Okay. You have to be subscribed here to put your input in on what you want this contest to be, either $100 for 10 people, $500 for 2, or $1,000 for 1. You have to be subscribed before you can tell me what you want. So go ahead and subscribe today. That will get your foot in the door. Now for the contest. This is just a sneak peek of what the contest is going to be, because I hadn't set the rules down yet. Okay, I want to reach 100,000 subscribers by February the 28th. The Sunday following the 28th, I'm not sure, I think it's 2 days later or something like that, I will announce the winner on the video from the 28th. The 28th of February, I will pick a winner, and I will announce it on that following Sunday. Okay, right now we're 16,000 subs away. I think in 5 weeks we should be able to get that with no problem, if everybody subscribes and stays subscribed. Don't click off. Like I said, only subscribers can enter this contest, and only subscribers can put their input on the rules. So go ahead and subscribe today. And each Sunday I will give you an update on how the contest is progressing. Also, if you don't win this contest, don't fret. I've got another $1,000 contest coming the very next week. And I know this contest is for 5 weeks. The next contest is going to be for 1 week. So right after this contest is over, the following week somebody can win another $1,000. Could be you. The same person may win the $1,000. That would be $2,000 for that person. That'd be great. But the next contest will be announced the following Sunday. So don't go away just when the contest is over, because a week from that you could be winning another contest. And after that, don't go away, because we're going to have a contest like this once a month until I deem it's not necessary no more. And that will probably be a long time from now. But once you subscribe, do not unsubscribe. That's just delaying it, because if we don't reach 100,000 subscribers by the 28th of February, I don't know if we will end it there, or will I extend the date, or will we just start all over again. But in any case, it's going to be one contest right after the other. So when you subscribe, don't unsubscribe. Every Sunday I will put updates here. And next Sunday I will have the rules in the description box once all the rules are in place. This is just a preview telling you about it right now. The contest does not start yet, but go ahead and subscribe. It won't hurt anything to subscribe. But also, the stimulus check is coming, and it should be around the 1st or the middle of March. And if you get that stimulus check plus this contest and then the next contest, you're sitting on some money. So this is a good thing for you. So go ahead and subscribe and just give me your thumbs up, leave your comments, and let me know about the 100 for 10 people, 500 for 2 people, or 1,000 for 1 lucky person. And we'll do the rules next week, or next Sunday. I will do an update. I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and please leave your comments about the stimulus stuff and the contest. I love you all. Keep your faith in Jesus Christ. We will get through all of this. And y'all, I hope you like this contest. It will be 100% on the up and up. This is my way of giving back to the people that's built my channel for me. I love you all. Ciao.